This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Luis Medina. Beautiful home now available in the Woodforest subdivision. The home features a huge master bedroom suite, open floor plan, island kitchen and high ceilings. The large windows that allow for plenty of natural light. No need to worry about storms as it did not flood in Ike, Harvey, Imelda or any of the recent storms. This home is perfectly located with easy access to Beltway 8, Uvalde Rd, Wallisville Rd, I-10 and Highway 90. It's located less than 2 miles to San Jacinto College North Campus and within walking distance to North Shore High School and North Shore Middle School. Both of these schools have distinct designations in reading, mathematics, social studies, and comparative academic growth. If you work nearby and tired of the daily commute, this home is perfect for you. This home is located within 2 miles of the new Forest Shopping Center, which has great restaurants and retail stores. Great for the outdoor enthusiast with parks and lakes where you can fish, hike and enjoy the great outdoors. For more information, review the details below or contact Luis Medina at 713-884-0502.